Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Today's the launch day. I pre-ordered. It's the first time I ever pre-ordered a new product from Apple. First time I ever got a product on launch day, so I'm sure no one cares, but it's my crowning life achievement here, so I figured I'd mention it. Now, I did trade in my 15 Pro Max. I pretty much get them every other year, so I will do a video on that. I've done it for the past few years, and people always say it's what I showed was different than what they got, so I'll do a new trade-in video. Hopefully it'll be what the other type, and I'm already blown away. I didn't really even want the 17 Pro Max. I am going to talk a little bit because why not make my video a little different. When I first saw it, I hated this new camera notch here. And I think it's something over time will probably be better utilized. I'm sure they'll have some different things or change the camera array in future iterations. But I didn't like this color at all. But then a few weeks ago when I did that press event, I just love this anodized. It almost looks copper, and like this here, I'm gonna have it in a case. I don't like this. This looks disgusting. This matte orange, don't like it at all. But this anodized metal, I really like this. Now it is unfortunate they went back to aluminum from titanium, but I will say with the titanium, it had that brushed look, and it would stain. You couldn't get it back out. Stainless steel never did that, and I don't think aluminum will do that either. Looks like we have a braided C. I'm not sure if that's a Thunderbolt or just C, but can't have enough of those. I do like the newer ones, not the old rubber ones. And looks like they changed their packaging for this a little bit. I'm not even going to open it because I'll never get it back in here. I might use this, I don't know. If I still have the one in my 15 Pro Max box, I'll use that one and keep this one. Can't wait to get to this phone though. Go ahead and flip it over. The moment we've been waiting for. And supposedly it has the new ceramic shield that's supposed to be better than ever. I did get some Spigen glass screen protectors. I'm probably just going to put one on anyway just to play it safe. I didn't have the 16, so I'm kind of curious to see how this... Okay, well, I didn't even know it was an actual button. I thought it was just touch sensitive. So I like that. Go ahead and boot it up. I use the phone pretty much exclusively in a case, but I really have to say I didn't think I would like that it was orange around here, but I like it. I think it looks pretty nice. Now, I'm sure most people will prefer black, and I probably would too, but there's something about this. And let me go ahead. I'll do a separate video on this UAG Monarch case I bought, but I am going to pop it in real quick just to see how it looks. You can just barely see that orange case, the shell, just barely peeks through. So for the most part you won't see it, and man, the back really pops. Now I will say that I did a little mod here in case you're wondering. I'll cover that in a separate video as well, but this is a little bit better looking than this, so unfortunately it isn't a perfect match, but that's okay. This is definitely a controversial new layout and even more controversial color. I know at least there's one man out there, and that's the human suplex machine, Orange Jones, Taz himself. So I know he's got one of these right now, but I'm not sure how many other people like this color, but I actually like it. It's nice for a change. I am probably going to try out another case or two. And here's the glass screen protector I'm going to put on it. Got a little bit of heft to it. It might be a little bit heavier, but the last thing I think I'm going to say, I mean, we know cameras are better than ever, processors better than ever. The only really reason I bought it was just the battery life. I struggle to get 2 years out of a phone before the health goes down like really low 80s, which I don't even care about the slowdown. It's just when it's in the low 80s, it's not enough usually for me to get through the day, or I'll be like 20%, and then you just kind of it's on your mind. So this one is a significantly larger battery, so it's hopefully something now that I can get at least 2 full years out of this one, if not longer. I'll just go ahead and set it up off camera. It does look like the dynamic island is still the same size, so maybe that'll come in a future yearly release, smaller or under the screen. But beyond that, I think I'll leave it there. Really happy with it, and I'll probably do a few more videos, but it's really this, I like this UAG case and this color. Something I wasn't planning on buying, but it's different, and I actually think I like it. Usually there's the controversial design. There's people that hate it and people that love it, and I usually don't like the controversial design, but this time, for whatever reason, I like this one. So I like that it looks different. I like the different color. So thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Have a good one.